channel. It is your boy Artie. If this is the first time you're stopping by to the channel, consider subscribing. So in today's video, we're going to be doing a little unboxing of the Porsche trickle charger. In the last video, I took the BMW to get the smog check, and prior to taking it to get a smog check, unfortunately I don't drive these cars as much as they need to be driven, so my battery died. But then it ended up being that it was a bad battery. Now, I made a video a long time ago about the Porsche GT4 and how kind of it can be a pain to access the battery if you need to replace it, because it's under a lot of plastic in the front, I guess trunk or whatever you want to call it, in the front boot. So long story short, I don't always listen to myself, and I don't always jump to do things that are necessary to, you know, kind of upkeep on the maintenance of the battery. So I finally was like, you know what, I'm gonna order myself the Porsche. This is controversial. A lot of people are gonna be like, why did you spend $180, $190 for this? Because it's basically the same thing as a C-Tech charger, and you can pick up a C-Tech charger, I believe, for like $89, $90. But that's, again, personal preference, and my crazy self decided that I want to pay a little bit more money and have the Porsche brand, I guess, charger. I don't know, you guys can judge that for yourself. But in today's video, we're going to unbox this. It's pretty self-explanatory how it works. I've never in my life owned a trickle charger or any type of charger for my batteries, so this is going to be the first time showing you guys. I'm going to plug it in the Porsche and explain to you guys what I know and how it works, and I guess in the future I'll make another follow-up video on this trickle charger. So let's dive right in. Alright, first off, let's start unboxing it. I'm going to use this little knife that I found, even though I have a razor laying around somewhere in the garage. But let me cut this open. Like I said, this is the first time I'm using any type of trickle charger on a car. I've never used it because I've never been in a situation where I have, like, I guess, multiple cars, and I have 2 kids now, and I don't have a lot of time to, drive these cars. Yes, I start them up, and, you know, I try to take them out every weekend or every other weekend, but that's not always the case. So that being said, I know I'm a really bad owner. I decided, why not go and purchase one of these? So let's see what's included. You get this Porsche baggie that you could keep your trickle charger in, and I guess keep it in the front depending if you're going somewhere. A manual in here, even though, again, I never use this, so it's gonna be the first time doing all of this with you guys. But let's put that aside. This cool little piece right here, let's open it. So I don't know if you guys have trickle chargers, or if you do, what charger you have. Comment down below, tell me, you guys, your ownership. So this is cool, we'll put this on for sure. And then, so here's your charger, your Porsche charger, that you have to pay so much money. A dealer, I believe, charges like $230 for this. That's crazy to think that $230, you could pick it up from like a Porsche distributor or like a parts distributor on online for 170 bucks. Try Amazon. But again, C-Tech, basically this is a C-Tech, I believe, if I read it on forums. So basically you could buy this adapter separately from C-Tech itself and just put it on and connect it the same way. So we're gonna basically open this up, connect it inside, and see what lights up, and I'll have a charge, and then later on I'll see how it works down the line, and I'll keep you guys informed if this is actually worth the price. Or again, straight off the bat, probably you could just go with C-Tech. It's interesting because over here you see a little motorcycle, and then you see a little car. So let's connect this and see what lights up. Alright, so we're inside of the Porsche Cayman GT4. That is my trickle charger right there, and that right here is the closest cigarette lighter where I'm going to be connecting this into. So I'm going to put this in right here, and then I got to connect my into my outlet, which is right there, and then we see what we got. Alright, so once everything is connected, you're going to have your little green light that goes on over here, meaning that you have power. So we're going to press mode, And then once we press mode, we get that motorcycle and the little charge battery for the first sector of the 4 sections right here for the battery, saying that it's at the least. We're gonna press one more time because we're not a motorcycle, we are a car. So we are in the automobile and we're still at the smallest section. There's 4 sections over here, so I guess I'm assuming 25%, that's how this works. And it'll charge up, so when it's lit up on the 4th section, that means my battery's ready. This is a good, I guess, investment if you don't drive your cars, like I said, as often as you need to, and your battery is not, you know, being driven, so your battery is draining, and all of that you guys already know. So right now, as we're speaking, it's already lit up, if you guys can see, into the 2nd section. So again, this is a unboxing showing you guys how this one works. New purchase for me, first time, so don't judge me for it. If you own one of these or a C-Tech, comment down below. I mean, I know a lot of you guys will be like, yo, you could have bought the C-Tech for 80 bucks, is basically the same thing. But again, like I always say, personal preference. Comment down below, you guys, if you have one of these and your experience, if it's pros and cons, just comment down below. I'm gonna keep this on. I don't know, they say it's safe to keep it always on, but I don't know. I guess I'm gonna keep it on periodically and maybe take it off depending on how often I drive the car and what my plans are. So if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. If you have this product or C-Tech product, comment down below for future buyers to kind of know the pros and cons and wherever they want to invest their money into. So if you're new, consider subscribing. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.